Hey guys, this is Tracy. I just want to introduce you to my two favorite household appliances. These are the Shark products. This is the Shark Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, and this is the Shark Hydrovac. Let me first tell you about my little Shark vacuum cleaner. Alright, so it literally is ready to go. You can see all your dirt, and you just pull it back and the brush. You can have it on carpet, or you can hit it a second time and it just does suction. But the easy part is just pop this out and you go to the trash can and empty it. It's always got trash in it. I mean, I could vacuum it every day, and literally this thing is just so quick and fast. So I do that on my floors first, and then I use the Hydrovac, and this thing is the bomb. I'm going to fill it up with some solution and some water, and I'm going to demonstrate how it works in just a second. Alright, so I've gone ahead and I've taken my little canister that holds the water. I filled it up with water. You've got a little water line right there, and then you take your solution and add that to it says solution line. So you don't even have to measure anything really. You're just looking at your line. Give it a little shake, pop it on the top, and it's ready to go. So we're going to take it. I'm going to take it to the kitchen because I've got a mess. Alright, I'm going to just show you how I clean up this mess. This is a high traffic area in my kitchen, and this is from start. It just came off the charger. I'm going to press the button. We spilled some buttermilk, so we'll clean that up. Honestly, could get carried away with this thing. It is so easy just to, it lightly vacuums, it puts the solution down, it scrubs kind of like a paint roller, and all of this stuff you can disassemble and wash out. But the floor is clean, it's practically already dry, this is real time, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I think everybody should have one. Go get one.